Thank you so much to the branding team for sending me this gorgeous bedding set to try out. It has really transformed the vibe of my bedroom. The texture is incredibly soft and it feels very luxurious against the skin. It is made from an ultra soft microfiber and it's very breathable and gentle even if you have sensitive skin. It's very lightweight and it's still very cosy and very snuggly too. The finish is very smooth and wrinkle free and gives the whole room a very polished feel in my opinion. And it feels very put together and like a real nice glam look. It has 16 different patterns to choose from and different colours, so there should be something for everyone to suit your style. And I went with this really lovely elegant grey, which adds a really nice calm but textured feel to the room. Especially if your colour scheme is already grey or very neutral, I think it adds an extra pop with that pattern. It also has a reversible, so it's a bit of an extra bonus there if you wanted to reverse the design. There are 2 size options available, either a double or a king, making it perfect for any bed. The stitching is really neat and durable and it holds up really well after washing. The set includes a duvet cover and a matching pillowcase, which makes it really effortless to style and also really easy to pull on and off thanks to the hidden zipper in the duvet cover, and the pillowcase has a hidden seam as well to make it really seamlessly and concealed for tidiness. It feels like a really deluxe bedding set to me for a fraction of the price, so if you're looking to upgrade your sleeping space, this is a total win. Thank you again to the branding team for sending this out to me. I'm completely obsessed, I absolutely love it, and thanks again.